and today I'm gonna show you my project 0 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course from the Harvard University. Okay, so the project is about design a front-end page for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. And I have to satisfy some specifications that I'm gonna show you in this video. So the first one is pages. So the website should have at least 3 pages. One for Google Search, one for Google Image Search, and one for Google Advanced Search. So if I go to my Explorer, um, this is one of the page, the second one, and the last one. So the next one is query test. On the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click on Google search, and be taken to the Google search result for that page. So that's what we are going to do. For example, I want to type programming test, and I'm gonna click the button, and it's working. So the next one is query images. On the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click on search button, and be taken to the Google image search result for that page. So we are going to do the same thing here with programming. And yeah, it's working fine. Good. So on the Google Advanced Search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. That is all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. So we have this here, and yeah, this is the 4 fields, and I'm gonna type some numbers. And if I click the button, you can see the query is formatting like in the expected way. So it's working good. Okay. So now the looks and feels yeah of this page is it's exactly like the look and feel that Google real website is. So you can see that we have the button in the same color, and also the fields is like the I mean the titles is in the left side, and the fields is in the right side of the page. So it doesn't like the original website. Oops. Okay, so the looky page say add an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. Okay, so in our primary page, I have the button. If I type, for example, Harvard, and I click the button, it's trying to redirect me to the, first results in the page. But so let the look and feels is that the CSS URI should match the Google's own and as best as possible. So yeah, for all the page, if you can compare with the original site, is pretty the same. So you have these rounded corners in all the fields and buttons. Also, if you put the mouse over the field, you can see this shadow, this gray shadow. Also, the color of the icons. Um, yeah, I think this is all. So thank you very much.